to do with the remaining tomato paste that you happen to have left over? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove it using a knife and working with some plastic wrap. So first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna extend your plastic wrap. You don't need a lot, you just need enough to make a little tube, and that's essentially what we're doing. So we're gonna take your knife and you're gonna insert it into the tube, go all the way around, and kind of lift the paste as you're working the knife around the sides, and that should help you to pull out nice little tube of paste. Boop. Any extras, get inside there. You know that it's in there. Okay? You even have like a bunch still in there. See that? Got a little bit left. Okay, we're gonna scrape that out. There we are. There. I'm not gonna get too crazy about the rest of that. We're just gonna get rid of it. This. Just gonna work it down into a nice little tube. Okay. Little patty pat. Boop, boop. There we are. All right, now. So now we're going to take that tube, lift it, working with a knife, just going to cut that plastic right there. And then you're going to fold that over that little tube. Okay, nice seam. It's okay if it gets a little wet. And then taper it off. Okay, and then you're going to roll it towards the edge of the plastic wrap. Boop, boop, boop. Okay, so now you get a nice little tube. Now you got these little ends, right? So you're gonna pinch it and then hold one end and roll it so it rolls like a little piece of candy. And then when you see that silver lining, fold it over like so. Then with this one, same thing. Pinch it, roll it, roll it, roll it so it's nice and tight, and then fold it over, meeting the other end. And voila, you've got yourself a little tube of paste. It won't rot in the can. And you can throw this in your freezer, and then you just cut sections off as you need it. You're welcome.